What's up guys, this is a quick video on how to fit a Spigen screen protector to an iPhone 13 Pro Max. So right guys, I've actually bought this from Amazon and I paid $12.99. And what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below just in case if you need any more information or if you want to actually buy one. So right guys, this is what it looks like in the box. You actually get a pack of two. So it says EZ Fit. So this is supposed to be the easiest way to fit them and then make your life easy. So right guys, we're going to fit this now. So I'm just going to quickly open it. So what you get in the box, you get two screen protectors, 1 and 2. So you get some instructions with it as well. You get a rubber squidgy. You get some information on a charging block. And you get a packet of these, which is the lens cleaner. So we'll have a quick look what's inside here. So we've got a QR code, and it's to tell you how to remove bubbles. So we've got 2 cleaning wipes. We've got a cloth to dry it with, and we've got some stickers as well. So these are for the dust removal and fibre removal from the screen before you fit the screen protector. So right guys, we're going to carry on and fit it. So the first thing we're going to do is wipe the screen on the phone. Make sure there's no dirt or smears on it or anything. So this is like an alcohol wipe. I'm just going to get the phone out. So just going to give that a quick wipe. Make sure you get the edges as well, because you get dirt what sticks there and bits of fibre. So anything what's left on here will cause bubbles, so you need to get them out. So right, once you've done that, you want to dry it off and make sure there's no smears. After that, what we need to do is get the dust removal sticker. They actually give you some small ones at the bottom, but we're going to use the big one. So we're just going to cover all the screen. Once you've done that, put it back down, but make sure you don't touch the screen. Just have a look at it from an angle. I should have really turned this off. Just have a look from an angle if you can see any dust or any dirt, and if you can, just put the sticker on it and take it off. Mine's quite ready now. So mine's ready now, and we're going to go to the next step. So right, we get the screen protector, and what we'll do is we'll turn it over here where it says here back. We'll pull this off. So basically we're going to pull this sticker off. So once we pull the sticker off, if you can see the grooves, we're going to slot it on top of the foam. So that'll be a perfect fit in the right place, like so. And then what you do is you just push from the middle up and from the middle down, and that helps to apply the screen protector. So now it's saying you have to give it 30 seconds, 30 seconds wait. So we can wait 30 seconds, that's not long. So right, once that's done, it says here, remove from here. So we're going to lift this side up. And we're going to peel it up. Straight away I can see a bubble there, but there's nothing to worry about. That's what the rubber squidgy is there for. So we'll take this off. This has still got a cover over it. So what we'll do is we'll get the rubber squidgy and we'll just basically push the bubble to the side until it disappears. So right now we'll take the final cover off and see if there's any more bubbles, which there isn't. That's a perfect fit, that. I'm really happy with that. The main issue you have with screen protectors is lining it up properly, so it's equal on either side and the top and bottom. Because if you slightly go over to the left too far, or the right, or the top or the bottom, it causes you to have air bubbles what you can't get out. So I'm really happy with that. That is a really perfect job. I'll see if I can get it in. So you can see that in the light. There's no bubbles there at all. I'm really happy with that. So right guys, that's how you fit a Spigen screen protector to an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Would I recommend this screen protector? Yes, I would recommend it, and I would buy it again. That is so easy to fit. Like I said, the main issue is just fitting it on level on either side and the top and bottom, which you have the main problem fitting. So that's just made everybody's life easy. So you can see it's not edge to edge on the screen. There's a slight little lip on either side and the top and the bottom, and that's to, when you put your case on, it's not going to affect the screen protector in any way. But yeah guys, I'm really happy with that. That was a good purchase as well, worth the $12.99. So basically you get two of them for $12.99. You can't go wrong with that. So right guys, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about buying one, or who's bought one and is about to fit theirs. So right guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.